starting weight when you join us, and what is the current weight after the program? Can you just tell me that, please?
Sure. When I joined you, I was almost like 80, 81. Now I am 63 kgs.
Welcome to eMedicard Ethical Integrated Holistic Health Platform, where we celebrate remissions and reversals of chronic ailments, where we prefer cure over chronic disease management. Today, we are here to share the inspiring journey of Miss Binika, who took a bold step towards reclaiming her health. She came to us with issues like IBS, overweight, knee pain, back pain, and skin pigmentation. Over time, her condition gone back to worse. She went to many doctors and specialists and was put on many medications, but none of them helped her for a longer run. Her symptoms continued to play hide and seek with local doctors to specialists. None of them could help her. Her story is not just about weight loss, it is also about healing from within, rebuilding immunity, and transforming lifestyle patterns that once held her back. Today, our founder of this global organization is with us. Dr. A.M. Khan, with the heartiest welcome, will hand this over to you, Doctor.
Oh, thank you, Dharna. Thank you, Dharna. And thank you, Binika ji, for coming on our show. And because this is what we need to explain to the world, what is our platform, how people can really get benefit if they just change the food, just change the meals, and then if they make their own body as medicine. So at our platform, as rightly said, Dharna, like we celebrate remissions and reversals. We don't believe in chronic management through treatments. We prefer cure or management of chronic diseases. So today we have an example with us, Binika ji. Thank you for attending our show. So let me start a few questions and ask, are you ready for some discussion? So it's just general discussion which we are going to do that. And to start with, I would like to ask a question. What made you actually join eMedicard, Binika ji?
Yeah, so being an IT professional for close to 20 years, it's been very hectic and stressful all these years, long, prolonged sitting hours, and obviously stress and many night calls, all those things. I started getting into a lot of health issues all these years, and off late, I think what made me really join were I tried multiple treatments. I was getting overweight. But I think what really helped me were all the failed treatments that I was going through. And I think turns out that holistic guidance was all I needed than all the harsh treatments that I was, medical treatments that I was taking. I had a lot of
Yes.
health issues actually. Yeah.
Yes, you rightly said harsh. Sometimes they're life savings at the same time. If you see emergency, we should be trusted. Conventional medicine has to be definitely trusted for emergency because we have life saving medication. You're definitely saying, coming to the part of chronic management of diseases, we have actually utterly failed. And that's the reason a lot of people get now attracted to a platform like us, where they're looking for holistic journeys. We're looking for the journeys without harsh medication, without side effects. If you see currently the pattern is so severe, especially if you see UK and India also is same, everywhere same. So the statistics says like almost 35% of hospitalizations are just due to the complications of the medications or side effects of medications or adverse reactions due to medications, So this is so common now. Coming back to our discussion again, definitely you rightly said, whatever you mentioned just now is so harsh actually, because continuously been put on so many of chemicals and molecules. You're getting pains, you put on medication. Why? What is the root cause of the pain? You get obesity. Okay, put on now. Injections have come now, obesity injections. But there's no focus is being given or been of the focus is there's no focus, to be very frank, in terms of managing the diseases, in terms of curing and reversing it by focusing on the root causes. That's not happening anywhere. So that's what our focus is. Focus on the root cause. Why, if somebody gets obese, if somebody gets back pain, why somebody gets hypertension. So we should first understand why is so important. So that's what we do here at our platform. We seek why first, and then we give a holistic journey where people get really empowered in our platform, definitely. So what is the next question, Binika ji? What were the symptoms actually and the challenges you were facing when you joined us. Can you elaborate a little bit so that?
Sure. So there were four pressing issues that I had. One was the biggest issue was around November time frame. I just could not sit anymore. I had a lot of pain in my lower back, and finally, and even I had spondylitis. I went to doctors. They told me that I have arthritis, osteoporosis stage 2 in my like in my neck area. My knees had also arthritic changes, and therefore I just couldn't sit, and I had to quit my job. December, I actually November end, I quit my job, and then I started focusing on my health. So definitely. It is but I was so I thought I had to take treatments for all these bone related, muscle related issues, posture related issues that I had. So I was running to many physiotherapists and chiropractors, orthopedicians, and taking the treatments they were giving me. That was one of the issue. Second was I used to get regular vertigo and migraine attacks. Migraine was off regular for me. Almost every day I would get headaches, but vertigo attacks I used to get like once in 3 months, 4 months, like that. I would feel very giddy, and then January time frame, even though I was taking the treatments, I got another attack, and this is 5, 6, 8 months back. And I was on a lot of severe medicines for vertigo, drops, and medications. I felt a little okay for a while, but then the issues, the symptoms were like persistent for me. Then I also had skin issues, and I had a lot of pigmentation patches around the chin area, around my lower face, a lot more than the whole face. Also, I was going to skin doctors, getting their treatments done as well. And another really big issue that I was facing was my indigestion issues. I used to get a lot of heartburn and burning sensation in my stools. Whatever I was eating was causing me problems. So it was not like food items would cause me. I was not able to understand a pattern. Anything healthy also was causing me gas and like bloating and indigestion in general, very painful stools, and always heartburn. Last year as well, I took two back-to-back naturopathy sessions in November, and even before that, September. Both times I got these, like I ended up after 10 days into indigestion and unhealth, like uh, burning. So nothing was actually working for me. And then all these 4, 5 months before I reached out to you, I was trying things on my own. I was also losing a little bit weight. I feel I lost a few kgs. However, my issues, my concerns, my health issues were persistent. So then, yeah, these were the four pressing issues. But other than that, I also had some strange kind of dryness in my palms, which after a few months of taking your plan, it just went on its own. Then I also I used to have chills in my legs and my feet. I never was able to sleep without some warm socks on. I did not know what is happening with me. I used to get some kind of pain in my chest all the time. That automatically went, and even the chills are not there anymore. So these were major issues that I had.
So you spoke about vertigo, you spoke about migraine, you spoke about spondylitis and skin pigmentations and gut issues and all that, isn't it? So when you approach these doctors and you've been to so many specialists, have they any time told you what is the root causes? Have you discussed anything in detail with you, like, or they just put you, for example, migraine, take painkiller, or just they said, like, in vertigo, take another anti-vertigo pills, like in spondylitis, okay, another painkiller there, or steroid injection, or skin, okay, fine, creams and all that. So these are the symptomatic treatments you were being offered, right, all these years, isn't it? And none of them must have spoken what is the actual problem for your skin pigmentation. Nobody has discussed that, isn't it? And nobody has told why you got spondylitis, why actually you develop regular migraines, and which are linked to the gut, gut issues, like gut issues, as you just said, issues with the gut. So nobody has discussed that, right? What do you think about that?
Nobody. Yeah, definitely. I think for my knees, I went to many, not just one, different physiotherapists and different orthopedicians because I was really scared. One of them actually told me that I might need a surgery, like replacement, knee replacement in 10 years from now. That was actually something that really, it was heart breaking for me because at 45, I was told that my knees will not last after 10 years from now.
Come
So
on.
I really got very, and I think all the doctors after that I went to with my x-rays, they told me, yes, you do have wear and tear, you do have arthritic changes.
Definitely.
Definitely your, it's they root cause as such they never told me, but weight, they said because you overweight, this is causing this problem because you're overweight. And skin, I think you were the first one to say that it's internal and it will, and I, for me, that was really kind of shocking because I could not relate that just by changing my diet I would, my pigmentation can go, because no skin doctors and the treatments that I was taking ever said that change your diet or change the way you eat. It was always about getting several treatments and applying medical medicines, and always about medical medicines.
Even we linked a lot of your IBS like symptoms, like to migraine also is part of IBS. We link that also to that, isn't it? Even the migraine
Yeah,
got
that was
disappeared
never
and
linked.
let go.
Yeah, my issues. Yeah, nothing was linked for, so I never knew all of this is linked, and I never could relate that it's basically the gut and all these things are actually linked. And just by changing my, by following structured diet that you guys gave, automatically everything started falling in place. So that I
You
never
said
thought
perfect.
would happen.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes. So you all those issues you like apart from the weight, which actually also has, you have already lost too much good weight, and you have right now achieved an
Hmm.
optimal weight also, and you have a BMI is perfectly okay right now, isn't it? And
Correct.
other thing was like we, when you came to a program, I want people to know how quickly you have been struggling for how many years, all these years. Like probably you must have struggled with all these issues probably 2-3 years before joining us, isn't it?
Hmm.
Yeah, for almost two, three
Yes.
years. All these gut issues, migraine, regular migraines, vertigos, and spondylitis linked to your obesity, and skin pigmentation linked to again to your immune health and gut and
Many
all that. So
years,
you must
yeah.
have 3 for many years you've struggled, right? So you, after coming to a program, because we have put you in the phase 1 of immune repair program, isn't it? So after putting in the phase 1 of immune repair program, where we removed all the triggering factors from your diet and the environment, isn't it? Which actually leading to all these issues, gut IBS issues and leaky gut and all that. So how quickly and how how do you tell in terms of weeks or days, like how quickly you recovered it, and how soon you felt good after coming to our dietary program?
I think definitely immediately. I would say it's not. It didn't take long. The thing is, the diet that I started initially. Sometimes, if I was feeling uneasy with few food items, I would. That is the good thing, is that we do get real time support, right? So I can message all
Yes,
anytime I'm feeling uneasy with this food. Say, for
yes,
example, initially lemon, although lemon
yes,
infused water is a good thing to have, but that was causing me acidity.
yep,
So I
yep.
mentioned that, then I was immediately changed to fennel tea. So these are the things that I felt kept helping me, and very quickly within a week I started feeling my symptoms are a little lesser and
Fabulous.
completely healed. Means like, yeah, after 1 month I lost good amount of weight, and as and when I was losing weight I started feeling better and better. So yeah, immediately with the change in diet started helping me, definitely. So but yes, overall complete I mean symptoms went in maybe 2 to 3 months of time frame.
2 to 3 months of
Completely
time frame.
fine,
So within,
yeah,
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 completely
yeah,
fine.
completely
You're
fine.
saying like within days and within initial few couple of days and weeks you start feeling better, and within 1 2 months, and completely all the symptoms which we were struggling for almost so many years disappeared, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Correctly. Yes.
Perfect. Okay, now just a little bit of medication, because you say harsh treatment. I don't know if you remember the name of the medication. What were the medications they were putting you on? And then we'll discuss what are the meal plans we did for you. Little bit of that. And so, can
Uh,
you just tell a little what medications you remember from your mind, or you remember any of the medications
Vertigo,
you used to?
yeah, yeah, for vertigo, Vertin, I remember. And then I also was on some supplements. I had very low iron and vitamin D supplements. All those I have been taking, and but not really for arthritis. Not really any medications I was taking, but I was taking many sessions, physiotherapy and chiro, a lot of them. Like every month, I was taking regularly from many months. And now, since I think May, I have not been to any physiotherapist or chiro sitting. So just
Fabulous,
by
fabulous.
yes, I've been managing it on my own. I did not need any sessions, but prior to that, every day, every month, I used to go for these sittings. And
Yes.
skin,
So
I've been taking many medicines. Uh, yeah, like many creams and eating also some medicines. I don't remember the name, but yeah, for skin, I've been
yep,
taking many. For migraines, headaches, SOS also I take all the time. But now I have
yeah.
not had headaches actually, yeah, for a long
Since
time.
since since, since
Ever
our
since
program,
I
yeah,
think I
that's what.
started, yeah, yeah, not even one episode I remember. Ever since the
Oh
day I
God,
started the
fabulous,
plan, I have not
fabulous.
had
Because
headaches.
this is
Yeah.
what the miracle of plate is. If you just change your plate, if you just change the food, if you understand, this is what is lacking, isn't it? Because we lack the information that, what are the GMO foods, what are the triggering foods which are there abundance in the market. You go to the shelf. Now we have some kind of reviews when people like you who join us, and when they go and just change their pantry, their house, they think, why have they not done this long back? They just always ask this question, why we not done this long back? Because we're not aware of this, because doctors themselves are not aware the latest updates, what's happening, how we can change the gut, how we can improve the immune system of the gut of naturally, just by changing the food, just making food as your medicine and making your body as a medicine. So as coming because now that we help with the food, and you always said, you also mentioned that our support was good, right? Is it good, or what do you rate about support? Like when you give 1 to 1 support, how you rate it? Like, do you think it's good, or very very good, or outstanding? What do you
I
think we
don't think
are
it can
in
get
terms of?
better. Yeah, I don't think it can get better. And I'm being very honest because I have been struggling with this for a long time. Sometime back, actually, for my weight, I had tried multiple things for being many dietitian led programs. There's a very famous program, kind of like an app based program that gives diet plans, very famous one. I took that as well. Both me and my mother took it for 3 months, but we couldn't even continue it for a month because it was just not working for us. See, the issue I felt, and something
Yeah.
that support you spoke about, right? What I really like is that, especially now, I'm definitely self motivated, and all thanks to you guys. You've done that, you've brought that change in me.
Thank you.
I feel
Thank you.
I've
My whole
started
team, whole team.
understanding. Yeah, I started understanding that food is plays such an important role in healing us, and now that is like the your plan is an eye opener for me, and I feel that has really changed me. However, initially I was not like this. I was not I needed follow ups. I needed some kind of a push, and
Yes.
I think when I took your plan and I see you guys are so two things which I really like about your plan is one, definitely that you will be following up, and this is something that people like me need. Otherwise, we would have not been so unhealthy, I think. So, you guys are pushing us to eat healthy, following up with us. We are always connected
Yes.
on WhatsApp, and always, free to share issues and ask questions. So I think that real time support that you guys give is
Real
not
times.
not others are doing. In the
That's
other
what.
plans, I used to get preset diet plans, And if
That's
something is helping me or not, something is bothering me or
yep.
something is working for me or not, never mattered. But here
That
it
is what
does. Yeah, yeah. So this is one thing that I
this is
felt
what it needed.
really works. This is what we need. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
This works. Yeah.
you're
Mm. Secondly, I think
yeah.
professional medical
Yes,
supports that you
yeah,
guys are giving.
yeah.
Not like, dietitians are just giving some preset plans, right? Some, according to our ailments, according to our issues, we are being given treatments. So, and natural
Yes,
treatments. So,
yeah.
I think definitely people are going to get the benefit because it's the right kind of food that they are
See that.
eating.
So
So, mm,
if you notice the plans which you got, it is a preset plans, right? All the templates are there. Just you go there and
yeah,
enter your
yeah,
height, weight, and all that. As
yeah.
per your BMI, they just give you a template. That's it. And you just
Mm,
they don't know. They know other real time support. It definitely said why we're
mm,
different. Which I think viewers should know that we change the meal plans on weekly basis, isn't it? So we'll
correct.
see what you have achieved for that week. Have you lost weight or not? Have you be feeling better or not? Depending on that, we take weekly. We ask you to put weekly weights measurements, isn't it? So on the basis
Yeah.
of that, we again provide the vehicle because all the communication is happening any which ways because we know it what's how you're feeling on day-to-day basis. We know that how you're feeling, how you're
Mm,
improving on day-to-day basis because we are connected with you on day-to-day basis. Because people who come on diabetes reversal program, we ask them to do blood sugars twice and thrice in a day. So we are connected day to day, isn't it? So therefore,
correct.
what we did is how different we are from others. Definitely, this makes a lot of sense because we changed the strategy. If suppose somebody
Mm,
on the weight loss program, we change the strategy.
mm,
Not all the programs will fit for for
mm,
losing weight. So it changes from
mm,
person to
mm,
person. Like we have a lot of diet plans, we have
mm,
different kind of strategies. So that depends change to change. So
mm,
why we are different from others is definitely because we change the plan. If suppose we in first week we don't get the result, we'll see for another week, then otherwise we change the plan. So that's the strategy
mm,
of our plan. That's why we offer
mm,
weekly meal plans on our platform. Great, wonderful. So let's go to another discussion on this. So another point which I like to discuss is what actually made you decide to take a leap to work on your lifestyle, which is actually a tough thing to do, isn't it? A lot of people won't be easily ready to do changes in life, like changes in the lifestyle or dietary changes. Not everybody will be interested. Everybody is looking for quick fix these days. But quick fix is
mm,
again has a lot of backfiring happening up. For example, weight loss injections. Now the research says if you just leave the injection, you get five folds more. So you get more weight back again, gain more of a weight. So this is the problem there in all these quick fixes. We all know that. So what actually made you because you take it such a big leap and not only make the food as your medicine, even your body is medicine right now, because we have put you on intermittent fasting, that we ask you to do some alternative fastings also in between, isn't it? Depending
mm,
upon
mm.
the strategies what we're trying to change it on weekly basis to achieve the target what we have set for goal. So what actually made you take it such a big leap where you now decided it's enough is enough, now I need to change a thing because everything is happening is all like superficial, isn't it? So what made you change your lifestyle?
All the struggles
And
that I've had with my health so far, and as I said, I had even decided to quit my job and focus on my health full time. I don't think everyone can do that, and I think it's not even needed. But for me, I just could not sit anymore. Like, I could not be. My job was a sitting job. I could not sit at all, and now I feel active again, and I want to get into some work now again. But I feel that it was the right decision for me. I was struggling a lot with my health. I was like, I was just not feeling happy. I think I was feeling depressed because of my all the time I would think about, because so much pain. I was in a lot of pain all the time. I could not eat food. Forget going out and eating anything outside. At home also, anything home cooked also, I was not able to eat. So I was talking to my friend, and I think she referred me to you guys, and especially for my I used to feel that all my health issues can never be healed because I had tried a lot of things. Things would work for a time, and 3 months, 4 months, I would feel okay, I'm normal, and then again everything will just be back, and things will just strike back, and then I would be back to the same. So many times I've had the same lower back disc issue, same issue, and so many times I've been bedridden for weeks together, and so back to back issues were coming, and that is why I thought, no, it's enough now. I need to work on myself. And allopathy medicines and medical treatments, I was just done with them. Nothing was working, so I thought I need. When she told me, my friend told me that holistic guidance is something that will work on for you now, and when I connected with you guys, I immediately felt that, yeah, I'm in right hands. So that is why I thought now I need to focus on myself.
Thank you for giving such a big compliment. Right hands, with in safe hands. Thank you so much for that. I would like people to know, because there's some issues when people come to a program. They feel a little bit of challenges, especially in the initial few days and all that. So definitely you also must have faced initial challenges, right? And what was the initial challenges, like initial first week, like people get withdrawal symptom like that? So what were your challenges initially, and how easy and what you did to cope up with those challenges? Because we want other people who are watching this show, they should know that, they just, like, for example, what we actually give explanation to this is, like, when you come off the carbs, you get, of course, definitely withdrawal symptoms. When you come off the smoking, initially you get withdrawal symptoms. Like, so the withdrawal symptom when you come trying to come off this alcoholism and all that, because of these addictions, isn't it? So what were your initial challenges, you feel it, Binikaji, and how you have challenged that with your strategies? What were the strategies you've taken?
No, I was pretty comfortable. I think first time I felt that I was eating a lot. I felt I was eating more now, because, however, it was holistic. Lot of vegetables, lot of fiber, lot of things. I've never eaten so many variety in one day. So that way, I did not feel uncomfortable with food at all. I felt
Yeah.
good. I liked the food. I felt it's a lot of variety. I'm a foodie. I've been a foodie, so I never thought it was like not. It was boring or difficult for me to adjust that way. Food was not an issue. And I think challenges, maybe I can feel that when we are on intermittent fasting, and we probably, it's a little bit difficult. I felt I need to manage my day properly. Otherwise, it gets like, I feel I'm done for the day very like early in the night. So I started sleeping early. So I think the only way to I used to sleep very late initially. In fact, I never used to get proper sleep. So 3-4 hours of sleep is what I would go sleep after 12 to. So because I'm done by my food by 6 now, I cannot still stay awake by 12. So I started sleeping early, and that actually helped me in recovery as well. So by 9:30, 10, I'm done. I cannot stay active after that. I need to sleep. So that is one change I did to, and it actually, I wake up early and then I start my day according to that. So I adjusted my tasks around that intermittent fasting period. So I think that is what I did to overcome the issue. But as such, I don't think there were any challenges. I really enjoy this plan. I feel this is very this helped me stay away from my cravings. I used to have sugar cravings a lot initially all my life. I used to, and that is because whenever I would get stressed and late night calls and late eatings, after a heavy dinner also I would crave for something sweet. After eating the kind of plan you guys have given me, the structure, I'm following the timings, I'm off all the cravings. So I really felt good with this. I don't have any issues with the plan.
So just the final question: what was your starting weight when you joined us, and what is the current weight after the program? Can you just tell me that, please?
Sure. I was at one point I was 85, and when I joined you guys, I think 86, and 70. If, I was 86, and then when I joined you, I was almost like 80, 81. And as I said, I had started on my own. I was losing weight, but then I was still not able to cure my problems. When I joined you, now I am 63 kgs. Yeah. So I've lost good amount of weight.
So, as we have understood from your story, as we can see, Miss Binika's journey is a living proof that healing begins with the right mindset, the right guidance, and the power of nutrition. Through the Immune Repair Program and the Obesity Reversal Program, she has not only transformed her health but also rediscovered her confidence, energy, joy, and life with eMedicard Global, as you can see right on her face. Today, let be an inspiration for many others. Story of Binika reminds us that chronic ailments are not life sentences. Instead, positivity is power. 100% reversal is possible if you believe food is medicine and body is medicine. Thank you so much, Binika, for sharing your journey with us, and may it inspire countless others to begin theirs. Thank you so much, Binika,
Thank you.
for sharing your
Thank you.
story.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.